Hey guys, I'm Harsh Ramani and along with me is Vitraq Kataria. Today, from the Technical Committee of MPSTME, we are going to share something very beneficial and innovative which will help you guys in your student life.
We are going to share our insights on a few digital notepads which are affordable and of great use for you all, making it easier for taking notes. So, first of all, what are digital notepads? A digital notepad is a device that brings the best of the paper notepad and computer aided notes together, sometimes called cyberpads. These notebooks are tablets that plug into your PC and allow the notes stored onto them to be transferred to your computer for archival or further modification.
Writing on a digital notepad is now smoother and simpler with the Xiaomi LCD writing tab, which can be used for writing and drawing purposes. This brand new tab has a white sleek design and is available in two sizes, 10 inches and 13 inches. It includes high sensitivity pressure sensors which allow the user to increase the thickness when force is increased. It is also a great use for children as it is dust free and eye friendly. Moreover, it is affordable and as it costs only rupees 1000. The tablet comes with a sleek designed lightweight stylus that is magnetically attached to the device. It has one tap clear screen button at the bottom. The tab offers a lock button that freezes the content on the active area to avoid losing it and also provides a battery compartment.
The second tablet is a graphic tablet, which would be the most suitable for the students who are pursuing or interested in designing. The Wacom One graphic tablet by CTL is an affordable mid-range product. It helps artists to capture their work digitally. It weighs around 49 grams only, making it portable. It has a compact design and its dimensions are 6 by 3.5 inches. The tablet also includes a pressure sensitive stylus that provides a natural drawing experience. Moreover, the advanced electromagnetic stylus technology provides better control and accuracy for drawing, editing, or painting, and many more jobs. The tablet can be connected to your laptop via the USB-A plugin, provided if your laptop is Windows 7 or later, and for MacBook if it is 10.10 or later. The entire package includes a pen tablet, stylus, the replacement nibs for the stylus, USB cable, quick start guide, and a warranty card. It is available in both red and black color. The product comes with a standard brand warranty and the price of this tablet is just 3400 rupees only.
Since colleges and schools have adapted this online teaching system, this new notepad is going to bring back natural handwriting experience for students and teachers. iScribe A4 pad is mainly used for teaching and note taking for students and teachers. Users can naturally write on a notepad attached with a paper and it will be digitally captured on the computer.
This notepad has an active area of 210 by 291 mm and comes with a ballpoint pen with Wi-Fi and USB support. The user requires a PC for this notepad to work. This notepad is compatible with most of the learning platforms and the sessions can be recorded and played back. The content can be saved in PDF or image format on your Google Drive. The digital notepad costs rupees 12,999 rupees only. This tablet is very useful for teachers and students.
So these were some notepads and we think can help you upgrade your note taking procedure and your graphic skills. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far in the video, make sure you subscribe and smash that bell icon. Stay tuned for more such content from MPSTME Student Council's Technical Committee.